Wins coming by way of knockout. Saturday night he'll be seeking revenge and looking to become the first ever heavyweight world champion from Cuba. Please welcome the fearsome heavyweight contender, Luis King Kong Ortiz. Champion. Let's take a closer look at the longest reigning and most active heavyweight world champion in boxing today, the bronze bomber Deontay Wilder.
We all know it's not a secret no more. I have power. I'm 41-0 with 40 KOs. Every man stepped in the ring, I've knocked him out. King Kong ain't got shit on me.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, with a sensational record of 41 wins, no losses, 1 draw, with 40 big wins coming by way of knockout, he is the most feared single punch knockout artist in boxing today. He'll be making the 10th defense of his title from Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Here is the undefeated and defending WBC heavyweight champion of the world, the bronze bomber Deontay Wilder. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we bring up our reporter, Fox Sports reporter, to handle our Q&A session. Please welcome Heidi Androl. Heidi?